Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, if you use Instagram, TikTok, or any social media and you need a link in bio tool, but you're just confused which app is better, don't worry. Today we'll be comparing TapLink with Linktree and we'll be seeing the feature, customization, and everything. Starting with customization, TapLink basically offers you a custom layout and built-in contact forms and even online payments. And if you compare it with Linktree, it is basically simple, but it has fewer design options. Comparing the pricing of both these apps, so basically Linktree is free. The starting plan is free, but most features are logged behind paid plans. And talking about TapLink, it offers free features, and the paid plan basically starts cheaper than Linktree. That's what the things goes. And if you talk about the business and monetization, so basically the TapLink it lets you accept payments like directly via PayPal, Stripe, or any of that sort. And this other thing, the Linktree, on the other hand, is basically it has limited payment options, mainly for tips and affiliate links. So if you go on their websites, if you check the websites are pretty neat, they're pretty good built. There's some Q&A options. If you have any questions on that, you can also like claim your Linktree, just jump start from there. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.